Hi everyone, Vince here. Today I'll be showing you how I managed to earn over $2,000 investing with eToro. And I'll also be talking about the realistic side to it. I hope you enjoy. So everyone, this is my current eToro dashboard. What you'll notice is that my portfolio value right now is $8,297 USD. Throughout the last 8 months, I've been investing on eToro, trying to snag the best dollar cost averaging positions I could get my hands on while trying to play it safe. You see everyone, it's very easy to get greedy while trading and getting yourself into some bad positions. And in a few moments, I'll be showing you all my trades. But for now, let me just discuss eToro a little bit more. Heading over to my portfolio, you'll notice that I have an active trade on at the moment for oil. Now I'm currently going long on oil with 44 units and my average open price is $67.71. Currently I'm minus $8.86 with barely a 0.30% negative on the profit and loss margin. And now diving deeper into the trade, you'll notice that the actual amount invested is 3,000 USD. And taking a look at the bottom of the screen, I still have 5,307 USD available to actually trade with. Now you see, here's the thing everyone, that's a big position to actually enter into if you don't know what you're doing. And this is what I'm just personally doing myself with the experience that I've gathered over the years while trading online. The reason why I'm personally very confident in investing this money is because I don't actually have to leverage any of the cash. So this eliminates the margin calls, guys. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can essentially leverage your trades on eToro, which this is what it looks like when you open up a trade on eToro. You have your leverage area and oil goes all the way up to times 10 of your money that you can actually borrow, which of course puts your capital at a significant risk. I personally do not use leverage under any circumstance. I've learnt my lesson through years of losing money. Thanks to me not using leverage though, I will need to actually put up more money. So the minimum trade for oil is 1,000 USD without any leverage. And then you can set your stop losses and take profits as well. Now you see, eToro has this fantastic watch list feature, and this is where you can really stay on top of all market fluctuations on the assets that you want to pay attention to. Like here we have Bitcoin, and you can see that Bitcoin is currently trading at 73,000 USD, which is incredible. It's seen such a massive rally lately. And I've actually purchased and sold so many assets over the span of 8 months, you have no idea. Taking a look at oil more in depth here, you can see in the last week, it's actually dropped by 5.46%. And this is what's triggered me to actually jump onto it, because over the last 6 months, I've been watching the chart and can really see a pattern starting to occur. Mind you, I only did invest last night, so we'll see what happens. If you guys are liking eToro so far, please don't forget to join up using my link in the description below to earn $10 USD for free once you invest your first 100 USD into your account. This promotion won't last forever, so jump onto it while you can. And while you're there, you can actually follow me on eToro as well by simply typing in Vince Sane into your search bar, finding me under the people section, and then you can either follow me or copy my trades. Completely up to you, but I thought I'd let you know. Now you may be wondering, what exactly am I going to do if oil crashes again, right, with all this money invested? So the whole point of DCA trading is that you obviously wait for a certain amount of time or droppage to occur, and then you simply reinvest with the same amount of money. So realistically, I'm going to wait like another 5% of a drop or maybe even 4% of a drop and then reinvest the 3,000 USD again. And then essentially you ride it out until you can either break even and exit a trade you're not happy with, or you continue to go long and hope it really makes a profit for you. Remember, the whole goal is to get that average cost to a position you're happy with. Now, taking a look at my personal account here on eToro, you can see that I have an 18.91% return for the year with 62.86% of profitable weeks. Absolutely fantastic in my opinion, everyone, okay? Completely destroying what a bank would give me. And now, it does state that I have a 3 risk score, but that's because I did activate a contract for difference trade. And I was going to record it for you guys, but then I thought it was way too risky, so I closed it. So that will eventually go down to 1 or not available in 7 days time. Essentially, this risk factor means when an account's volatile with their trades or what assets they're actually invested in. Anyone that understands investment will know that 18.91% of a return is fantastic, and that's exactly what you want to see. And mind you, this is only the span of 8 months. So I'm hoping to eventually get to a 50% return or even 100% return in the future, but I will have to get quite lucky. Realistically, dollar cost average trading is not for people that want to get rich overnight. The whole point is that you just ride out the waves and exit at a price you're comfortable with. At least that's in my own opinion, and that's what's worked for myself. So taking a look at my trading history for the past year to date, I've made an almost 1400 USD return. What you're seeing here is the total amount invested for each asset on my account year to date. And you're going to notice that I've made quite a bit of money over time trading all these various assets. You may need to pause the video to get more of a good look at the account, but I've barely lost any money whatsoever, everyone, okay? Which I'm very, very happy with. To be fair, it was really only cryptocurrency tokens that I really lost on, and that was because of the spread itself, which I'll talk to you about in a second. Please keep in mind, when you see Dogecoin here, for instance, and it says I've invested almost 26,000 USD, that wasn't just one trade, that was over the year to date in total. You'd have to think about it. I went from Dogecoin to oil to SQQQ, so don't think I've just invested like 100 grand, because I don't have that money, everyone. The watch list helped me earn so much you have no idea, because every day I would get notified with what's going on. Plus, the Discover tab has every single asset available in eToro and all the latest movements on those assets. It is a fantastic setup they have here, guys. Think about it, you can see all the trending assets for the day, plus what the actual community on eToro is talking about as well. They have a live trade section where you can see what members are buying, and then you even have the copy trader situation as well, where you can copy popular traders, which I hope one day I'm actually up here since I have quite a high return in the last 12 months. I just thought I'd mention, if you enjoy these type of videos where I explore stock trading and investing, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hoping to hit 200 likes. Thank you very much. Before you do any type of trading on eToro, you need to understand the spread system. Every trade will have a spread attached to it, everyone, okay? And that is the difference that you're going to be paying. So if we scroll up here and have a look at Bitcoin, you can see that the sell price is 71.7 thousand compared to the buy price, which is 73.2 thousand. Now let's just say I'm going to buy Bitcoin right now. I'm going to switch to a virtual portfolio here so I don't use my real money, and I recommend you guys do this as well to practice on. Okay, so let's say we want to invest 10,000 USD into Bitcoin right now at its current price of 73k. Right under the buy button, we'll have an estimated cost area. If we hover over that, it will give you the spread price. And right now, it's almost 1,500 of a price difference there. And mind you, we can actually short Bitcoin as well if we really want to, which I want no part in. And here you can see that eToro actually applies their own fees as well, such as overnight fees and weekend fees to your shorts. When we stick to buy though, those other fees disappear. Granted, you can always learn more about their fees by reading their actual fee page. Now, tapping buy, looks like eToro filled the order, and I'm instantly down 200 USD thanks to that spread. This is why it's so critical to understand how spreads work and what to actually expect. A 2% drop was applied to the trade upon entry, so you have to factor that in, everyone. Now, let's just say we want to close that. Now, let's be more realistic here, and you only want to invest 500 USD into Bitcoin. That order is filled, and here you can see we're only down $10 thanks to that 2% spread difference. Pretty straightforward, everyone, okay? You just have to factor that into your trade and make sure you buy at the best time, in my opinion. Hopefully that educates a few of you guys out there on spread costs. Now you're probably wondering, does eToro actually let you withdraw your money? Well, everyone, I've literally withdrawn tens of thousands of dollars, okay, without any issues whatsoever. You can deposit your cash with credit or debit cards, PayPal, bank transfers, Neteller accounts, and Skrill accounts. And when it comes to withdrawing, you can withdraw to your bank account, at least here in Australia, which usually takes between 3 to 5 days. There is a know your customer though, so that means you will have to submit ID proof that you own your account, aka your bank account, and you're a real person with your license. But with hundreds of different assets available, it really is a powerhouse platform. And I will continue to be trading on eToro for the foreseeable future, okay? So I highly recommend you jump on with me so we can actually start diversifying our earning experience online. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll catch you all next time. Thank you to eToro for sponsoring today's video as well. Stay safe out there.